So today we are going to be going over myth 27, which is opposites attract, where we are most romantically attracted to people who differ from us. Why is opposites attract a myth? Opposites attract is a myth because a lot of couples out there have similar interests and traits. They tend to get along better than people with different traits. In books and movies, we tend to see opposites attract. For example, in The Breakfast Club, all come from different circumstances, and in the end all come together and realize they're not different from one another, and realize they're not that different from one another. In fact, research studies shows that couples who share similar tastes and interests tend to have happier marriages. So in short terms, basically this is a statement showing that because we are different, like we have friends who have similar interests as us, that's why most of them are our friends. And so what it happens is we eventually end up relating to them. Now, what does it mean when people say opposites attract? Well, when we hear the phrase opposites attract, it refers to attraction between two beings who have no similarities. So in a sense, if one party likes red, the other is going to like green. So what that means is, if, say, I like the color blue and you like the color purple, for example, basically that doesn't mean we have an attraction or anything. It just means that we're different. And it's not really a bad thing, but it also means that you know, we're not going to be close as other people. Inaccuracies. Most couples tend to seem to have similar interests, built and established, and tend to lead happier lives. In other terms, most couples then tend to share common interests, which it has been proven that this can lead to happier marriages, healthier relationships, and overall a happy life. So, in other terms, basically what this is saying is that if we kind of learn to focus on, or not focus, like if we have people in our life that have common interests with us, then basically what's going to happen is that we're most likely going to want to know them better. And basically what's going to end up happening is we're going to have similar and common almost feelings. But like if we're in a relationship, it's almost like we have mutual similarities, mutual like trust and everything, and like we both have the same values. And basically what's going to end up happening is we are going to get along better than couples who do not have similar interests, personalities, views. It's gonna conflict. All right, this has been Ariel Alvarado signing off.